Sponsored by
Following assertions of internal discord within the ruling BJP, Uttar Pradesh is bracing for a dramatic political upheaval. CM Yogi Adityanath, amid simmering discontent within the party state committee, is preparing for a significant cabinet reshuffle. After poor performance of BJP in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections, where the tally reduced to 33 seats, a drop of 29 seats from 2019 elections, has prompted CM Adityanath to consider a major reorganization of his cabinet. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya's cryptic remarks have brought to light simmering conflicts inside the BJP state unit. His remarks that the organization is always bigger than the government is being interpreted as a subdued criticism of Chief Minister Adityanath's style of government, indicating a broader discontent among the party officials. The CM's rift with key party officials underscore the BJP's leadership challenges ahead of pivotal by-elections. However, in order to calm the agitation and stabilize the party before the next by-elections, BJP President JP Nadda has intervened. JP Nadda has carried out a range of meetings with Deputy CM Maurya and State BJP President Bhupendra Chaudhary. The organizational restructure aims to reunify the BJP's ranks amidst mounting external criticism. The party's diminished seat count has triggered a phase of reflection and underscored the necessity of structural reforms. This upcoming shake-up not only aims to address internal dissatisfaction but also seeks to revamp the party's election strategy. Notably, the upcoming by-elections in 10 constituencies offer the BJP an opportunity to reclaim ground in UP politics. These elections will test the party's fortitude and ability to win over people who have been demoralized by previous failures. The outcome of these elections will shape the BJP's electoral strategy and future in the state leading up to the 2027 UP Assembly elections. BJP faces a turning point in the political cycle that demands quick decision-making as Uttar Pradesh navigates these turbulent political tides. As one of the most critical states for the party politically, its future hinges on how effectively it handles internal conflicts, redefines its approach, and regains voter support. The event unfolding in UP mark a turning point in Indian political dynamics as they profoundly influence both state politics and the national agenda of BJP.